took delivery of the B-51 Mustang, the cloud dancer from our friend Jimmy Lee. We did not want to sell the engine, so Phil Petrie bought a brand new engine from a reputable Rolls-Royce engine rebuilder. It made it into the airplane. Phil Petrie left with the cloud dancer B-51, left McKinney, Texas, to Sidney, Montana. Along the way, the brand new engine he had purchased from the engine rebuilder stopped. He was flying high above an overcast. He used his navigational device to find an airport below the cloud level. He broke through the cloud level, looked for underneath the overcast. The strip that was on his screen was a small, short grass strip, not suitable for a P-51, unless it was still Petrie. Remember, it was his third or fourth flight at a newly acquired aircraft. He didn't see the runway below him, that short grass strip, until he dipped away. And he did. He saw it without engine. He glided in without power, rolled out, saved the airplane and himself. That is superior airmanship. That's Phil Petrie. We fly the airplanes on your right in dedication to the spirit, the achievement of our great event. Thank you so much for that. I want to leave you, as Phil would leave you, upbeat and happy. That's the way he would have said it. I want this crowd joyful. Don't leave the field yet. We've given the airport back over to normal operations. Melissa's got something for you. For us, Lonnie Cooper would like to wish his wife, Michelle,